Bobby Pruitt, DeVita Biomed. It's going to give you a friendly tech tip. Got a valve 32 from the balancing chamber, was stuck and rusted. Save the company $90 for a new valve or $45 to have it rebuilt. You can do it yourself for about $16. If you look inside here, it's pretty nasty. The valve was actually rusted. So you can go to Harbor Freight, pick you up a engine brush kit, and then you can hone out the inside of this valve. Now it looks brand new inside. No rust. You can see the copper insert again. As far as this, take a little steel wool, sand it off with that, and the valve will work again. Slides like new.